Good morning, good day to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to the different time that we have here in this earth. Okay, so thank you YouTube. Kumusta YouTube? Kumusta to all subscriber, viewers, supporters of my YouTube channel. Now, it's already 5:30. I finish na. I wake up at 4 o'clock and 4:30 and I go na in the kitchen to fix for the breakfast of Celine and for the lunch box. Okay. So how are you? Kumusta? Kumusta to all of us in this world, in this earth? Kumusta? Good morning. We have a very beautiful rose. Okay. I'm feeling that it's mine, but it's not mine. This one is for Madam. I'm just make video of this one because it smells so good. Okay. So very nice. Yan. So nice. Rose is so great. Now I go in the kitchen. I just finished to make the lunchbox porcelain. Very nice. It's very nice. With the rose candle also. Yeah. That's what the mix box. It's bitter box, but it's bitter also with what's that? It depends. So, some mga madam or mga ladies, if you have flowers to create, how to give to someone else, to your mother, to your sister, to your friends, even to your boyfriend, they